Hey. Okay guys, so let me stop being goofy. So welcome to my channel guys. So today I just wanted to come to you guys real quick. I know it's like the 18th or something like that, but I did want to come to you guys to show you this James Charles palette that I just picked up from my local Ulta store. Side note, I did order it from Morphe as well on the 13th, literally like an hour after it launched. My purchase was confirmed, but I called Morphe and they're like, oh sweetie, we don't know when we're gonna mail your palette out. I was like, okay, so let me go ahead and see if my Ulta has it, because I cannot wait for you guys to inform me on when my package is going to be shipped out. So I wanted to come to you guys real quick. Alright guys, so let's jump right into this video. I'm starting off with the lightest orange shade in the palette. Now just a hint, throughout this video I will be using the hand cursor to show you exactly which color I'm using at the exact point that you're watching the video. Enjoy guys! I did want to let you guys know that this look is inspired by Makeup by Tiffany J. She did an amazing, I think she called it a color block eye on her channel, so I will leave the link below. So I absolutely love her, and I think that she's amazing. She's a really, really great artist, so you guys should definitely check her page out. And just in case you guys are wondering, I am also recording this for Instagram Live. So if you see me making facial expressions, I am interacting with my audience. All right, guys? So at this point, I did want to point out that I kept going back and forth using the same colors that I used previously. So I went back into the lightest orange shade, and then I went back into the darkest orange shade, and I made sure that I could still see those colors. So if I saw that they were kind of falling back, I went ahead and just added some more of that eyeshadow so that it can come through a little bit more. I didn't want it to get lost in this eye look. Alright guys, so this is a disclaimer, okay? I am new to this whole cut crease whole game situation. Brianna Marie has got this game on lock. It's going to take me some time to master this cut crease, and towards the end of the video you guys are going to notice that I did get to clean up the line a little bit, and so it's a little bit more defined than what you're seeing here. But again, stay tuned guys, I'm going to improve. Just hang in there with me. Alright guys, I'm not sure if you guys can notice, but I use concealer as an eyelid primer, and I also use my concealer to cut my crease. I know that James recommended using eyelid primer. I have eyelid primer on hand, however I did not feel as though I needed to change my normal routine just for this particular palette. I am getting the P. Louise eye primer in. I'm excited to use that. I've never used it before. So when I do get that in, I will try to use that as an eyelid base. And we'll see how it goes. I'll let you guys know if I felt as though it made a difference. So yeah, stay tuned for that, guys. All in all, I really did enjoy using this palette. I think James and Morphe did an amazing job. I love the colors that are in here, and I do think that if you don't have something similar in your collection, then why not grab this Artistry palette? I will be giving it another chance to perform well with an eyelid primer. I think that it did fine. I think that the colors are beautiful, as you can see. Whether or not they are really showing their true selves, I'm not sure, and that has yet to be decided because, again, I didn't use an eyelid primer, so we'll have to take that into consideration. All in all, I am looking forward to trying more looks with this palette. There's a lot of warm tones, really nice gold, and also shimmery tones that I can't wait to try, so y'all will just have to keep posted for more looks. Alright guys, so let me know what you thought about this look in the description bar below. Don't forget to like if you like this video and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Again, thank you so much guys for watching. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye! Honestly, okay. Hey. Okay, I love this one. Okay.